Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Demonetization is real. Demonetization is real. Please, for your channel not to stand to get demonetized, do these following things. Number one, please, whenever you want to upload a video with restreaming, if you want to restream with a video, check that the video is not copyright video. What do I mean by copyright? Most of us YouTubers, we all know what copyright means. That means the video belongs to another person entirely. So if you want to upload a video, check if that video belongs to someone. Please do not use another person's video. If you are restreaming, always you can even make a video of yourself and upload it for Restream. That would be very, very good. But if you can't, if you don't have a video on your phone about yourself or about what you're doing, you can always look for a non-copyright video on the internet, and you get that. Because if YouTube should flag that video off as a copyright item, you know what it means now. We all know what it means, we YouTubers. That's a strike. So please, if you're restreaming, do not use a copyright video. Also, you are restreaming, please do not use a video twice. That's another reason why some channels are demonetized. It is called a reused content. It is called a reused content. When you use a content twice and YouTube flag it off as a reused content, that will also attract a strike. And once a strike is up to 3 on a channel, it is demonetization straight away. So for us, for YouTubers, for new YouTubers that's just upcoming YouTubers, please avoid. In fact, when I started restreaming, I was thinking one of the videos I used, one of the content I used, because of the views that it attracted, I wanted to use. In fact, I was already using it again, and thank goodness, MK's Arena, thank you, MK, thank you so much for the support. The Johnny, thank you so much. I have an amazing community. I thank you guys. I love you guys. So they will always watch out for me and others in the community. So she was the first person that called me, or she commented that I should check. I can't use the video twice. So I quickly deleted the one that has fewer views, and that was it. I did not use a content I've used before. So for you to avoid that, please, whether it's gathered views or not, do not use a content you have used before. Did you get that? That's number 2. Then number three, please, if you're restreaming or you're live streaming and you are close to a place where music is going on, please, is either you mute or you leave the place. In fact, live stream where it is very quiet. It is better you live stream where it is very quiet, not a place where it is noisy or where they are playing music. Because I remember, was it 2 weeks ago? Yes, 2 weeks ago thereabouts, we had an end of the year party, and while I was there, I was thinking of doing a live stream there, and you know, just at the background of the video, not just at the background, they already flag it off. Like, I don't know how YouTube, as the robot these days, the AI, all these things are very, very smart. I don't know how but like the name of the musician, the person that sang it and all that was written, and why they tag it as a copyright item. I panicked immediately and I deleted it. But instead of deleting something like that, you can also always mute the video, the music, the sound on the video. Once you mute it, the copyright will leave the video. So you can do that also. But to be on a safer side, just don't do your live stream where you have music playing at the background. It can attract a strike if not properly well taken care of. It can attract a strike. Okay, now what do you do if you have a strike already? What can you do to attract further strike? The only thing I would say is just be careful henceforth, because the moment you have that strike, you see your body system for that day, you'll be like, is it really me? Is it me, or is it this, like that? So if you have a strike, I will advise you henceforth, be careful. Whatever that is not your content, do not upload it. And this YouTube, they have terms and conditions. You read and read and read. There are some things you just want to click, you just want to skip. You don't want to read through it. But those are the terms and conditions you are to follow. And once you did not follow it, it's gone. The channel is gone. So once you're given a strike, which I'm not praying for anybody to get a strike, but once you're given a strike, please just make sure that from henceforth you do not do anything that attracts further strike. Because imagine that you're monetized, you're already getting money through super chat, through your ads and all that. Then suddenly you get a message from YouTube that says your channel is demonetized. You could see what it will do to your mental health. So that's why I'm putting this out there, that you can restream, quite all right, but be careful. Be careful. Also, this restream of a thing doesn't even favor channels, so to say. Majority of those people watching you while you're restreaming, they are just there to watch the comedy or what you're doing while you are restreaming. Majority of them do not go ahead and watch your other videos. They do not do that. To get organic or friends that are genuine. Your channel may be for a long time before you get monetized, but you enjoy it later on, because this restreaming will attract subscribers, will attract viewers, will attract watch hours, but at the end of the day, those people do not stick around to support you, to watch your videos, to engage your videos. They do not. Even your live stream, they will be there looking at you. They will not comment. It is your friends, the friends you've gathered before then, or your friends that you know one-on-one, or your friends around the community that will help you push your videos. These people watching the restream do not engage your videos. They do not do that. So that is my take this afternoon. All right, if you're still watching till this very end, or till this time, please do not hesitate to tap on the button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification to know when I will drop my next video. See you, and I wish you a Merry Christmas in